Optum has this like covert policy they don't share with anyone. It's called the CAM policy, the Complementary Access. I don't know, it's CAM, CAM, where if you have anything that seems like remotely frou-frou, like yoga, well, what they consider frou-frou, they won't pay you, and they could even do a clawback. So that's important as well, to make sure you're in line. Like, read their manuals, read what they're asking for. It's not that long. It's 50 pages tops, and they'll tell you exactly what they're looking for. And then if they have any secret manuals like the CAM policy, then I would try to get that from them. I guess just make nice with your case managers and your contract executive.